welcome to my YouTube channel, Daily Talk. Today we are going to be looking at some adjectives on rain. The first adjective which we are going to be looking at on rains is abundant rain. Abundant rain. The meaning of abundant rain is having rain more than needed, like which we are having this year on 2021. Okay guys, now let's look at the second one. The second adjective which we are going to be looking at today is going to be moderate rain. The meaning of moderate rain is if it rains on a level in normal range, you can call it a moderate rain. And the third one is continuous rain. Continuous rain. You can call something a continuous rain if the type of rain doesn't stop at all. It's gonna let it pour hard or let it drizzle, but if it drizzle or pour hard for a whole day, you can call it a continuous rain. The fourth one which we are going to be looking at today is going to be icy rain. Icy rain. When it rains, it's too chill. So you can call it a icy rain. Okay guys, that's all for today. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. Until then, bye bye, see y'all. Bye bye, see you later. Bye, see you later.